Often a pupil will have a question about a piece of work or an announcement that you've made in the stream. And in practice, of course, in many cases, the other students are just as capable of answering the question as you are. Google Classroom makes this very easy. Beneath every posting or assignment, you'll see this little section here which is for comments. Now, you can add a comment as a member of staff, but equally the pupils can ask questions or make comments. And you see here this student has asked a question. Now, other pupils who are in the stream could answer that if they know the answer, or of course I could answer it if I happen to be in the stream. If I want to make sure that the pupil gets an email notification of the answer as well, if I just hover here, this little arrow will arrive. If I click that, then you'll see that this student has got a plus mention as well. So that means that my reply will be emailed to him and will also be posted in the stream for other students to see. If a student makes an inappropriate comment, I can of course delete it, or I do have the option to mute a student, which prevents him or her from making comments in the stream. In practice, that's unlikely to happen very often. The pupils will need a little bit of training about how to use these questions and answers effectively, but when they get into the habit, it will save them a lot of time. The one thing to bear in mind, if you come to the Students tab, you do need to make sure that you've got this selected. Students can post and comment. If you click on the little arrow, you can see you do have a couple of other options, and you can turn off student comments if you want to. But in fact, giving students the ability to ask questions and often to answer questions is a powerful feature of Google Classroom.